Hello everyone. So, thinking of using Google Ads to grow your Shopify store? Here is a quick guide with key info and the best tutorials to follow. So, first of all, I'd like to recommend this tutorial by Brendan Gillian, and this will give you a very good idea about what you need to do to run Google Ads for Shopify. And another tutorial I'd like to recommend is this one complete Google Shopping Ads tutorial. I mean, this is somewhat complete, but just the overview on it just barely scratched the surface. But it will give you a very good idea about Google Ads and what you need to do for Shopify. And if you really want to learn Google Ads, I'd recommend you watch Dylan, I believe his name, Google Ads. He just Uh, Talent Google Ads, no, not this one. Google Ads course. It is this one right here, 6 hours. So this covered everything there is to know about running Google Ads. So just combine this tutorial with this one, and you'll have a very good idea about what you need to do to run Google Ads. So you have to invest like 8 to 10 hours just to get the basic idea, and then spend multiple hours on just tweaking, researching, and finding out what works best. Now, I won't recommend you any premium course at the moment. I'd like you to get the basic idea of what is Google Ads and how you can run Shopify stores with it. So that being said, let's talk about ads campaign. So, as you already know, Google Ads lets you advertise across search, YouTube, shopping, and more. And as for the budget, you can start as little as $1, but that won't actually give you any results. In reality, you'll have to have more than $500 per month to actually see any significant, any results at all. Like if you plan on spending $10 a day on the US market, you will be just burning dollars. It won't get you any results. For example, if you sell shoes and want sales, two to three sales would actually cost you $100 in ad spend. That's just some round figures that is happening right now. So there are ways to cut down the cost, but these are just basic examples. So you have to really know how to optimize ads in order to profit from Google Ads. Alright, so here are the different campaign types. Like you can run search, display, video, shopping, demand gen, almost like shorts ads, app ads, local ads, smart ads, and performance max. This is the best campaign out there if you are new to Google Ads but want, if you have the money to burn, run PMax campaign at the start and let Google do its magic, and you'll see some sales soon. So to set up a campaign, you'll have to choose your goals, whether you want sales or traffic. Then set a daily budget, define your audience, targeting using keywords or interest. All right, this is the basics of Google Ads. Then you'll have to write catchy headlines, or if you want to run display ads, then very eye-catchy banners, ad banners. For example, let me show you some ads here. So this is a sponsored content that is running on YouTube. So if you want your ads to be here, then you'll have to create a video and then run YouTube ads. So that's just an example. So if you want a step-by-step help, watch these two videos, this one, and you'll get a good idea about Google Ads and Shopify. With the Anyway, with the right targeting and budget, Google Ads can drive some serious traffic to your Shopify store. So I would recommend you start small, test often, and track your results. And I'll see you in the next video.